Hi there everyone, Matt the massage therapist here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use a massage gun to work on the upper trapezius muscles, which is where 90% of my clients say they hold their stress. Now, I've been a massage therapist for almost 30 years. I've been using massage guns for probably 15 years, and the one I have today in the video, this is a med cursor. It's super inexpensive. I think these are 50 bucks on Amazon. I use this on my entire body when I'm sore from swimming or cycling or running, and I've used it on all of my headache clients over the years, and it's extremely effective. It only takes a couple of minutes of really focused use and very specific technique on the muscles. So I'm going to show you how to do that, so let's get into it. All right, so the attachment that I'm going to use on this is going to be the flat plastic attachment. I like this flat one because it glides on the skin really easily if you have product, or on clothing and fabric, it glides really easily. And basically we're going to do two techniques, right? We're going to do a glide on the upper trapezius, and then we're going to do a zigzag pattern. So I like to have my massage gun set on about medium, but it's up to you. Whatever you like, whatever works for you, whatever is comfortable. And I will say, make sure you stay off the bony landmarks, the shoulder here, the collarbone, the spine. You don't really want to get into the neck with this. That's not what we're doing. We're just doing the trapezius here. So basically just go straight down into this muscle. So you can grab the handle here with one opposite hand. And for the sake of this picture, I'm just gonna, so you can see it, I'm going to use the same hand, but you basically just want to go down into the top of the muscle, and we're just going to do a glide, okay? From the base of the neck down to the shoulder. We're just going to glide back and forth. So this is going with the muscle fibers, all right? And then we're going to do a zigzag pattern, okay? Up and down the muscle, all right? So this is a very simple technique. Again, staying off the bones. If you want to reach back a little bit further to get behind the trapezius and hit the rhomboids a little bit, you can do that. But typically, I'm going to grab it with the opposite hand, so that way this arm stays relaxed and I'm not activating that trapezius muscle by having the arm up. I'm going to be using the opposite arm to hold it, okay? So, and that's pretty much it. You're going to do this on both muscles, and what I recommend is about 2 minutes. Now, a lot of videos I watch, people say, oh, 30 seconds, start with 30 seconds. I'm gonna tell you what, I've been doing this a really long time, and no disrespect to anybody out there that's telling you to do that. I know there's DPTs and doctors and all that kind of stuff, but I've literally done tens of thousands of massages and use this massage gun for hundreds of hours of treatment. And I'm a certified sports massage therapist, and 30 seconds isn't going to do anything but activate that muscle. So you want to do it for at least a minute, okay? Nothing under that. Anything under that is just going to activate the muscle and tighten it up. And if you're trying to relax this, you want at least a minute. Go for 2 minutes, but you really probably shouldn't need any more than that. When you're using this and you're doing the massage, you can do flexion of the neck, okay, to the opposite side. It's basically just ear to shoulder. You can do rotations, okay? That's gonna shorten and lengthen the muscle, and that'll have a little bit more of an effect of loosening up that muscle. And if you've got some knots or trigger points in there, that should help too. And that's about it. So super simple. So if you like this video or it helps, you want some more advice, leave a comment below. Like the channel if you like. I'm going to be posting some other videos on how to use the massage gun on different parts of the body, and also a focus on headaches specifically. And in one of my upcoming videos, I'm going to show you how to use one of my other favorite tools, which is this Thera cane. I love this tool. I've been using one of these for probably 20 years to release the upper trapezius and various other muscles, low back muscle, you name it, you can get into the body with that anywhere. So stick around, check out the other videos, leave a comment below, let me know how they work out for you, and I hope this works. Good luck and take care.